tonight. This is something that came in the mail today, and I believe that I ordered this the other night off of a shop off TikTok. So let's see what we got. I don't remember. It's from Leafy Side Plant Shop, San Diego, California. So hopefully it hasn't been in any cold weather. Gotta find out. It's a big one. There's only one. Oh, it's made a basket. Oh no. This is bad, y'all. This is bad. This is gonna be a no-go. It's rotted. It's rotten. Look at that. Oh no. This was supposed to have a heating pack in it. Oh, it's gross. Huh? No, it's this plant. It stinks. It was supposed to be. Gosh, they didn't even put a packing slip in it. Oh. No heating pad, no nothing. And it's. I saw one little green leaf. That was about it. This must have sat in the freezing cold because I've got plants that's been outside on my porch, and my porch has been in the 20s and 30s, and there's still some plants that I didn't even bring in that don't even look as bad as this. Y'all see that? That's gross. I'm gonna have to just take this out. So what do? They'll probably say, oh, you shouldn't have ordered because we had freezing temperatures. Yeah, but I told them to put a heat pad in it. In fact, I think I paid $6 or $8 extra. Oh, I'm not happy with this. It doesn't even have a pretty pot to salvage. Gross. Well, so much for the unboxing, but it was from Leafy Side. No, it's going in the trash. Leafy Side Plant Shop. It was ordered a couple of weeks ago too, y'all. A couple of weeks. It's nasty. I don't think I ever had one look like that before. It's black. And it stinks and it's rotted. It's wet and ugh. I can't even remember. I think I paid about $30 for it. Plus the heating pad. Well, I'm gonna have to see if I can't get up with these people and see what they say. I'm pretty sure what they're gonna say is they're gonna try to say, we didn't pay for a heat pad. Okay. Won't buy nothing else from them. Thank y'all for coming by tonight. Hey, sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and tonight I lost. See y'all on the next video. God bless. Oh, it stinks so bad. I know where you're going. In the trash.
Hey, how you doing?